Guys, am I the only one ne owenziwa ile nto leyo ukuthi uthola ukuthi endlini ne in the house something is wrong ne and it needs fixing and uzucasuke like ube irritated ukuthi why is this thing still here? This thing was supposed to be fixed long time ago. And then you remember ukuthi umama wala ekhaya ilinde wena lento. Ilinde wena le ubuki washinga igcwele ubasket uthi ha angaba kwashwa ngani ke la ekhaya. Why is nobody doing the laundry in this house? And then you remember it's waiting for you. You remember it's waiting for maybe it's a Sunday you are sleeping kamnandi ulele kamnandi uyasho ukuthi angaba bavuki ngani. Why are people not waking up and making food for the kids? The kids are hungry. Then you remember it's your kids. It's your kids. Or sometimes uyamuka umntwana uthi lo mntwana lo ukugugela impahla ne udinga impahla ezintsha lo mntwana lo udinga impahla zokugqoka ke lo mntwana lo nakathengelwa ngani lo mntwana lo and then you remember you have to buy the clothes. Just for a second you forget ukuthi everything is waiting for you. Do you guys have those moments where you like hey engaba kuphekwa ngani ke la ekhaya when are we eating like and then you remember we're not gonna eat until you stand up and cook. Hey. Guys, am I the only one who have these crazy moments, eh?